Hello everybody, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this session, we are going to learn dynamic file name change in Azure Data Factory. Basically, append current date in output file. So use cases like we have file come on daily basis, and if you need to append the current date and load it into another folder. How to do this in Azure Data Factory? Let's do practical on the same. So let's say I have this uh, ETL container, and under that we have input file, and I have these multiple files, but I will load this employee text with the current date into output folder. So in ETL, you can say there is no output folder. So output folder will create, and under that will load the employee file with the current date. So let's move into Azure Data Factory. Create new pipeline. Okay. So basically, what is required to create this pipeline? We need two data sets, source DS, target DS, and pipeline. So let's create the and copy activity. So let's drag the copy activity, and first need to configure source. So yes, let's click on new Azure Blob Storage. That's fine, and I can call this input emp source, and then let me choose the subscription. It is free one, and storage account is first source, and yes, okay, create. And then I need to configure the file path. So ETL, under ETL input folder, and file name is, let's say, employee. Okay, so now source folder, source connection is configured. Now I need to move this file into sync. So destination, so again configure for destination path, click on new Azure Blob Storage. I can call this output source dynamic, let's see, uh, new, and then we'll select Azure account first storage, and I will configure only container and give the manual name of folder output, and so this is done. This is not available, and now I need to configure the this data set output for dynamic. So I have to configure this dynamic file, add dynamic content. So I need to give dynamic content. So there's a function called concat in Azure Data Factory, and I can give the file name is employee, and then for current date there is function called UTC now, and then dot text. This is the function. Now it is configured. So UTC now will always give the current date, and I have given the employee name, and after that dot text, and concat is used to concatenation of all these three. Let me finish this, and now it is configured. So if you see here the it will there is no output folder, If I run this, then one output folder will create and the file will load into the output folder. Let me publish this. It's publishing. It's published completed. Now I can trigger this. Trigger now. Once it will execute, you'll able to see the output folder here. It's running. Maybe yeah, it's on running. It will take a minute maybe. Yes, it is successfully executed. Now if you refresh this ETL container, let's go to home and then first source account and container ETL. See, this output is created and this file is created. So you can see the like date, time along with the millisecond and all this. If we need to remove this, then we have one format datetime function as well in Azure Data Factory. How to do this? I will provide the same into the next video. I'll provide the demo. Thanks everybody.